Today, we begin something special, a 50-part journey through 50 truths that prove the Bible is the Word of God. If you've ever wondered whether this ancient book is truly divine or just another piece of history, stay with me, because what you'll hear over the next few minutes might change how you see the Bible forever. What if I told you that the most translated, most banned, and most loved book in human history isn't just a book, it's alive. It's the living Word of God, written by His Spirit, and still speaking to hearts today. Welcome to Episode 1, The Bible, God's Eternal Word. Fact number 1, the Bible was written by over 40 different authors, kings, fishermen, prophets, and scholars across 1,500 years and 3 continents, and yet it carries one unified message: God's plan to redeem mankind through Jesus Christ. No other book in history comes close to its prophetic accuracy. The prophet Isaiah, 700 years before Rome even invented crucifixion, described the crucifixion of Jesus in detail in Isaiah 53, and the prophet Micah, centuries earlier, foretold the exact birthplace of the Messiah, Bethlehem, in Book of Micah, chapter 5, verse 2. Coincidence? Impossible. Fulfilled prophecy is not by chance. It's mathematical proof of divine authorship. The Bible isn't ancient literature, it's eternal truth. Hebrews 4:12 says, "For the word of God is alive and active, sharper than any two-edged sword." When you read the Bible, it reads you back. It exposes lies. It heals hearts. It gives life where there was none. Empires have risen and fallen. Critics have mocked and vanished. But the Word of God still stands, unbroken, undefeated, and alive. The Bible is more than ink and paper. It's the breath of God, still speaking today. If you want to hear God's voice, open His Word, and this is just the beginning. In our next episode, we'll uncover how one man, Abraham, received a promise that would reshape world history, and how that same promise still affects you today. So stay tuned. This journey through 50 facts that prove the Bible is the Word of God has just begun, and every truth we uncover will strengthen your faith in the one who wrote it.